Hello. Let's take a look at how to localize and automate the translation of front knowledge base with Lingpad step-by-step process. Log in to your front support platform. Navigate to the knowledge base icon from the top panel and open the same. Go to your knowledge base settings from the left side panel and open the Content tab. Open the Additional Languages drop-down, select the desired languages for your knowledge base content translation, and click on Apply. Do note, Additional Languages drop-down is only available for Front users with Scale Plan, as Front provides multi-language support only to Scale Plan subscribers. Click on the Save button. Now that you have added the required languages for translation, let's get to know how to create an API key for content translation. Head over to your Front platform settings and open the developer's dashboard. Click on API Tokens and then click on the Create API Token button. This will open a pop-up from where you can add the API token name and select a knowledge base as scope from the drop-down. Now, click on the Create button. This will create an API key for Lingpad to localize your knowledge base content. Copy this API key and use it while creating the Front knowledge base translation project on Lingpad. After you have added languages, you can now proceed with setting up a Front knowledge base integration project on Lingpad. Log into your Lingpad account or register for one. You can also log in or sign up using your Google account with single sign-on. Choose or create a new organization. Create a new space or open an existing one and click on Help Center to create a new project. In the side panel, enter the project title and select Front knowledge base. Add the API key generated previously and click on the Fetch button. This will fetch Help Center names that you have created in your Front knowledge base. Choose the source language and target languages for translation. Click on Connect. This will create a Front knowledge base translation project. Open your Front knowledge base translation project by clicking on View Project. Go into the Pull tab from the side panel and click the Pull Now button to start fetching all the categories and articles in your Front Help Center. Select the desired categories and articles you want to translate and click on the Pull button to store them in the cabinet. You can also use the Search button to find and select articles. Click on the Sync Content button to sync newly added articles. In the Cabinet tab, here you can see all the pulled content. Do note, if you add more languages to your Front knowledge base, you need to add them using the Add Languages button from the Languages tab in Lingpad. You can also see the pulled content and languages for translation in the Languages tab. Now, let's take a look at how to translate and push your Front knowledge base content seamlessly. Go to the Translate tab from your Front knowledge base project. Select the desired categories and articles along with languages for localization. Next, click on the Translate button at the top right corner. This will open a pop-up, allowing you to select the status of your content translation from Translated or Approved. Select the translated status when you want to manually approve the AI translated content before exporting to Front. Select the approved status when you need the approved AI translation ready to push to your support platform. Click Save. When the translation process commences, our system will first use translation memories to translate segments with a 100% match. It'll also check the glossary for approved translations and then use AI to translate the untranslated segments. To approve the content with the translated status, navigate to the Languages tab and select the respective language. You can either invite external translators or proofreaders or review and approve the translated content yourself. Click on the plus icon at the top right corner. Select the Invite New User tab and enter the user's email IDs separated by commas. Translator and proofreader role, you can select languages within the project which you can allow access to. Click on the Invite button. To approve translated content, open the respective article and make necessary corrections to the target text from the editor. Once satisfied, approve all the content by opening the check mark icon and selecting Change All to Approved. Do note, our system does not translate URLs unless you have added a TM or glossary for them. You need to manually approve those for successful export. Once approved, the progress bar will turn green. Similarly, approve the translation of the necessary articles for the required languages. If the articles are not 100% approved, our system won't be able to export content back to front. Now, navigate to the Push tab. Select the articles and languages to export. Click the Push button. Lingpad will start exporting your translated content to front knowledge base. Do note, when you export an article, it'll be pushed as a draft in your front knowledge base if no article has been created for the target language. Even if it were fetched with published or live status for the source language, the manual push would export the articles in the draft, and you would have to publish them individually. Now, let's take a look at how to automate your front knowledge base localization with Lingpad. Navigate to the Automation tab from your Front Help Center translation project. There you'll find individual tabs for Pull, Translate, and Push to enable translation automation. Enable the Auto Pull Access toggle from the Pull tab to import the updated content from your front knowledge base for the articles already present in Cabinet. This will allow Lingpad to fetch the latest content automatically every 24 hours, approximately at midnight UTC. Click the Translate tab from above and enable the Auto Translate Access toggle to localize your articles automatically. Select the default translation status and languages for automatic AI translation. Do note, select the default status as approved if you want to auto-push all the translated content. Enable the Auto Push Access toggle in the Push tab to export the translated content to front automatically. Select the languages and status for pushed content and click on the Save button. Do note, current status is where articles are pushed based on their status in front. Drafts only will push content in drafts, and published only will push content as published, irrespective of their current status on front knowledge base. That was easy. Now, automate the translation process by setting it up just once. Lingpad will handle the rest. And the best part? You can add team members to Lingpad at no additional cost and let them configure automation for you. That's all for this video. If you need any assistance, reach out to hello@lingpad.com and we'll be happy to assist you.